Okay, so we're working on a new project. This project is for RIM. Basically, we take a new AutoCAD drawing and we save it as a new file. So go File, Save As. We select the project which we're, so that's ARI. We rename it 181290. ARI, I think it's version 5. Save. Okay, and here we have a preliminary drawing that I did for him that we finalized. So this is how the bar looks like. What we have to do basically is now we have to put it, in the AutoCAD and make production drawings. So let's give it a try with our new software. Basically, we also have, I'm just gonna test this out, a measurement of the space. So let's go and give it a try. So length is 74. Sorry, it's very important to use proper layers from the beginning so you don't have to rename them later. This way it's 24 plus 4, 28. And it goes 10 inches this way, 36 inches this way. Now 74 inches this way, 29.5, and then it goes 30, 30, and this is an angle wall, and we go 60 inches this way. Okay, so we had our base. I usually offset this 6 inches. And this way, and then we do a fillet. Okay, so we got our base figured out. What we do, we select and we lock the layer. Very, very important to lock the layer, because the more you work with different layers, the better it is to notice and to see and keep things organized. And then if you want to switch something, you can always turn off a layer very easily. So we see roughly how the drawing looks like. We have a bulkhead, so right now we're just working on the floor plan, and we see that the first cabinet is going to be so we do 24,875, and again this is going to be our filler, and then it's a 24 inch cabinet, rectangle, REC, line 24, REC. So we select copy paste, then line again, or space for the repeat command. The next cabinet, we can actually look at it here, is 35. So 35, REC. Next cabinet is 36. Yes. Yes.
Will come first tomorrow.
Sorry?
Will come first tomorrow.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, thank you, man. Thank you very much. Bonus coming, man. Friday, tomorrow. Carlos knows. Okay, see you, man. 36 by 36. Sorry, that 36 by. So this cabinet is 36 by 36 by 24. What's up?
Yeah, man. I'm taking Lucas with me, okay?
Huh?
I'm driving Lucas home.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I drop it home and then I go.
You go home? So everything is done?
Everything is
Finito?
kaput.
Okay.
Okay?
Very nice.
Thank you very much. Big help, man. You don't understand.
Okay, man.
You don't understand.
I understand. 27. So next cabinet is 27, 24, and done. Now we have a gable that's 875, 75, REC, space for enter. That's our gable. There you go. Now we come out an inch this way, 0.75, and we go 0.75. Done. So we have our base cabinets. Now we can easily freeze them, lock them. They don't have to move anywhere. And we go upper cabinets. Select the green layer. 12.875. Okay, man. Have a good night.
Later we talk about how much I owe you for all this, okay?
Yeah, Carlitos. No.
Yeah, just write down maybe the Lucas hours and how many sheets I got. I will send you. Okay?
Yeah.
Keep it record. Over? Alright, thank you, man.
Good night. So 24, we can just do copy mirror of this cabinet on the other side. So obviously we need to move it in at least 3 inches, and whatever's left is going to be our middle cabinet, and that's hopefully 20 inch. Perfect. So we also select this L 0.875, 0.75, REC space, click. So that's done. We have our upper cabinets, we have our base cabinets all figured out. Now we transfer this to elevation. So first we unlock the wall, select the wall cabinet, go to draw, select the vertical, D for vertical space, and then just click at the end points for now. So we're doing this wall, again looking at my measurements, is 90, or looking at my 2020 design, the wall is 90 3/8. Offset 90.375. Offset 90.375, and that's that. The bulkhead is 6 feet. 6 feet times 12 plus 8 is 80. Offset 80. And this way goes 36 plus 9, 45. Offset 45. This way REC for a rectangle. We can do that. Then we go fillet. Click. Fillet. We can erase these guys. So we have our elevation. We click here. We select elevation. Draw. Vertical, V for vertical, and then I just select the lines that I need transferred. So let's do the base cabinets first. Then select, repeat the command, click on a line, just drag it to the left, and now offset 425. So again, this is using our standard height. Toe kick is always 425. 34.5 is the height of the cabinet. Offset 0.25 is always for the door. REC. So this is a filler that goes to the floor. Actually, this one goes here. REC. This is a cabinet that goes here. Click. And the drawers, again, using standard sizes, is 12, 12, and 6. REC. Click. Space for repeat. And done. Offset 2. And we have another one, rectangle, click, and offset rectangle. This is our closed. Okay, alright, and this is L for 41, REC, and we drag it this way, and we have a countertop that's usually 2 inches, 1.5 this way, and 12 inches this way. REC space, enter. We can right away select our layer. This is a countertop, that's the elevation, so this is done. and then we go over offset space 2 inches for the doors. And then we can delete these guys, delete, delete, delete. So everything is set up. That's good, that's good. So we have everything here. Line, we can measure, this should be 24. So this is our cabinets. Now we can go back and do the same thing if you want to freeze it or not freeze it. V for vertical. Do the same thing for upper cabinets. And upper cabinets are usually offset 56 from the floor. Offset 55, in this case we do 55. It's very close to offset 3 from the bulkhead. And now REC. Click, 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 delete. So this is a double door cabinet. Offset 2. And because it's the same, you can just copy, click, move it here. REC from here to here. Light valance 2 inches, and it goes all the way to here. We already have this rectangle, and this is just 0.75 open shelf. So this worked out good. This didn't work out good. I went too far, so we'll go back, offset 0.75. There you go. Offset 0.75. There you go. So that's that. We can delete these lines. We can delete these lines, and it just has a simple crown molding that has to be sourced and specified. So we click on the measurements, select, and click, click. So we have, and then what we do is we go annotation, continuous. So this gives us 36 and 3/4. There you go. For now it's not frozen, so we can move the it's actually like that. Oh, see, the base layers are frozen, so they're not moving, so we can just unfreeze them. And for move, click and click. So that's done. This is done. Our heights, and we show 4 1/4. Annotation continues. 34. This, and that. And then we can also do an overall that is 90.3. 3" 18.5. Here I forgot to put the 5. So this is our countertop. And home, select countertop. Okay, so that was just, we put a line to here, show this, and there you go. So 22" uppers, we have a simple crown molding. We can do 3 by 3, sorry, 3 this way. And then just select here. There you go. select, crown, and done. These are glass cabinets, so X for enter, X, this X, explode. Okay. So this one is offset 0.125, 0.25. There you go. 0.25. There you go. These are gone. And here. So we have our nice window. This is an elevation. Now select it, copy, click, and just paste it into. So I see if it's a block, it's much easier to erase. And there we go. So we have our floor plan, we have our cabinets. Now we have to see the cabinets from this side as well as the front. So let's take a look. Let's design them as well, so the production, everybody's on the same page and everybody knows what's going on. Okay, so we can just extend this. Usually I just copy, mirror this. When you look at this thing, it's actually elevation. Now 34.5, 6, 12, REC. Now 40 inches in. Then we go 27. This way, 0.75 and 34.5. So then offset 2. This one is 41, 75. Rectangle. And how long is this panel? It's 66 and 360. 65 and a half. Okay. So line from here, 65.5, 41. Okay. And an inch. 1.5. And off we go. 9. This is our countertop. It's at 12. Actually, it goes this way. Now we select measurements. Annotation continues. So that's 36, 27, 3/4, and that. There you go. So we have that. L is 1 inch, 1.5. So this is very close. So S for stretch, space or enter, and we'll stretch this 0.5, and also 1 inch, 1.5 REC. There you go. And this is our countertop. Select countered off. Done. Put some measurements. 34.5, inch and a half. Panel is 41, and then total is 42.5. And now, how do we do a production drawing? Production drawing is very easily done. So I almost didn't use a lot of information. Well, I copied all the information, and now we can just scene tool, window tool. We can hide that. Get our AutoCAD full screen, and there we go. Just for perspective, let's leave this here. So that's what we're working on right now. Oops. Keep opening you. Not used to this setup of the camera. Now if we want to get an elevation, so we have elevation A, B, C. We want elevation C. 65.5. Actually, we made this 0.5 longer. So 66, perfect. We can do some measurements here as well. 24/7/8, 24. There's so many lines in this thing. Why is it 11:16? There you go. Finally, 12/7/8. So we can also work with this. I see 13/16. So this is 3/16. Wow, okay. 12/7/8, 12, so that's good. And we can just select these and do 12. So we got our elevation done. We can mirror this elevation as well. This is just the front of the island. So let's stretch it all the way. Can you see this? It's been a long day. We don't see none of that. We don't see this. Everything else pretty much the same. We don't need all these measurements, 42, as well as these measurements, and that. So we go 66 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. 54 divided by 3 is 18. Offset 3. So again, select X for explode. Offset 3. Enter. Offset 18. Offset 3. Offset 18. So REC rectangle, and so we go 3 inches, 425, 725 in the bottom. Actually, yeah. Copy and just paste. Select these, so we got 3 panels in here, so 3 panels in that, and that's pretty much it. We have our selection. Now we can copy a number, Control C, and we can start importing this. So this is cabinet 1, cabinet 2, cabinet 3, cabinet 4, cabinet 5, cabinet 6, cabinet 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Copy, Control V. So this is going to be panel number 8. Panel number 9. 9. So 10. 11. 12. 15. 14, 15, 16, this is going to be, the faucet instincts is the last thing, 16, 17, and panel here is 18, this one is 9, and the side one is 8. 8. Okay. That's it. Now we can make a cut list. So this is how you go from 2020 design to AutoCAD, as well as numbering the cabinets for production drawing.